Hi, very good morning. I'm Dr. Manjunath, Medical Director from Matrutva Fertility Center, Bangalore. I'm going to speak on P resistance and implantation. So, as you all know that the endometrium is one of the enigmas, I can call it as a black box. Till recently, we don't know much about the endometrium and the implantation. Past 8 to 10 years, there are tremendous scientific advances in understanding the implantation process and the endometrium receptivity. So that's how many things have come up. So many years back, our father of test tube baby robot had said that the endometrium is the last barrier for achieving the maximum success. Maybe I can say that we are reaching to that. Maybe somewhere we need to have in-depth knowledge about the implantation. And one of that concept of understanding that implantation and the endometrial receptivity is the P resistance. As you know that from past 8 to 10 years where we have started doing the ERA, we thought that after the ERA, if you adjust the timing, we can achieve a good success rate. So we had a notion that only the timing is the problem. If you correct that timing, yes, we can achieve the maximum success rate. But after 8 to 10 years of ERA studies, we are now understanding that timing is not the just only thing. There are much more things to understand in the implantation process. So why this concept of P resistance is coming is many studies have shown that even after transferring euploid embryos, after correcting the ERA, according to the ERA reports, still we are able to achieve only 50 to 60% of success rate. We are not achieving that magic figure of 90% like that. So why we are lacking somewhere? We are lacking understanding about the implantation process. So that's where the concept of P resistance is coming. So to understand that in a better way, we will just discuss what is that P resistance and how it is going to impact the implantation. So let's see you all on 25th. Thank you.